Bago ako matulog, mag-eye care muna ako para sa eye bag. Ito siya. Eye zone mask. Kasi we're 30 years old above na, so yung pagiging sagi ng eyes, it's very normal as we aging, so we must look after it para hindi mas lalong magsag. Kind of eye bag. So, this is how it look like. Ayan. I care for the eye bags. Well, it doesn't much effective, but at least for eye bag care, kind of relaxation also. We cannot prevent eye bag from coming since as we're getting older.